been a super long time since I sat down to record. It's only been a week. If you are in a pinch, really all you need is like some rhinestones, girl. Tap into some of the Latino heritage with some Day of the Dead inspired makeup. We're gonna fast forward because I'm just gonna do my base as usual, foundation, concealer, all that good stuff. Everything I use will be linked down in the bottom description bar. Hey y'all, so this isn't gonna be a full talk through, but I thought I just had to come on here and tell you guys. This video is like 6 or so minutes long, but in total it took me about an hour or so to do this entire look. Because of the whole intricate skeleton rhinestone deal here, it did take me a lot longer. So I would definitely say if you're short on resources, this is a great look to use, especially if you're trying to throw together a costume. But you do need to plan out time to actually sit down and do this makeup. This isn't like a 5-10 minute look. done after like 18 trillion years. So one, definitely however you wear your hair, you're gonna want to either put it up, do a side part, something. You don't want these crystals getting all stuck in your hair all night. It's my personal opinion. I have space for one more right there. I would definitely say it's something if you have the time to do but don't feel like buying a lot. For the black, like for my Skeletor type of deal, I use this Milani satin matte or matte satin lipstick in the shade Leather. Okay, y'all, now I'm actually done. Got our lashes on. These are, what are these? Salon Perfect pre-perm push-up lashes. Whatever lashes you have will work. If you don't want to wear lashes, as you saw when I like thought I was done, I didn't have any lashes on and they looked just fine. Although this lash keeps trying to lift up and it's really annoying. But that's it, y'all. I've been sitting here for way too long doing this makeup. I'm probably gonna walk around the house like this for a little bit too, just because it took too long for me to just immediately wash it off. We're done. Everything's linked below. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.